Hey everyone, I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host Tubi Academy. Today, I'll show you how to round the product page buttons in Shopify. First, access the Shopify dashboard. On the left side, click the Online Store button. Just click it. The Themes page will open. Find your current theme. Click the three-dot menu button. A new menu appears. Click Edit Code. This opens your theme's file page. In the Filter Files box, search for base.css. You'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open your store's appearance script. This contains all the styling code for your store. We'll scroll down to the very last line of this script. Just keep scrolling to the bottom. At the end, you'll see a blank line. Skip 2 lines after it. Next, we'll visit host2b.net. The link's in the description with the code to round product page buttons. Click to copy the script, then go back to Shopify and paste it in the blank line we left. After pasting, click the Save button on the right side. Click it, and the change is now successfully saved. When you check your store, you'll see the product buttons are now rounded. This applies to both cart and buy buttons. You've now successfully rounded the buttons. I hope this video helped. Bye.